Hi everyone, welcome to Indonesian and English learning channel. Today we have a special news, and our news is about dangerous insect. East Africa is experiencing the worst locust invasion in the last 25 years. Ethiopia, Somalia, and Kenya are the most affected countries. The insects are roughly the length of a finger, and a single swarm can measure 60 kilometers long to 40 kilometers wide. It can contain up to 150 million locusts per square kilometers. And an adult locust can eat its entire body weight every day. In a day, a swarm can destroy crops that could feed 2,500 people. The insects are causing enormous crop damage and are seriously threatening livelihood and food security in the area. In Kenya, there are disagreements over how to deal with the invasion. A Ministry of Agriculture official said that it is practically impossible to control billions of insects by spraying chemicals on them. However, the Ministry of Agriculture secretary said that the government is in control of the situation. This is the end of our news. Happy study and see you in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye.